सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 174, Shloka 84. Nisneha putradāradau Nishkamo vishayeshu ca Nischintasvasharirepi Svasharirepi Nirashashobhate buddhaha. Buddhaha, wise people. The Ashtavakra talking about wise people who are jnanis, who knows their real nature, who has got the right vision towards oneself. That's called right perception. What are the traits of that wise people? Those traits are characteristics Ashtavakra enumerating almost in this 18th chapter. Gnani Lakshanani. Buddhaha Shobhate. They shine. How they shine? They enjoy in artham. They enjoy their life. Shobhate means shining. Shining means what? Their mind is not covered with ajnana dirt. Their mind is not covered with ajnana avarana vikshepa. So such a mind is a light mind. Enlightened mind is a light mind. Therefore their life is very smooth, peaceful and relaxed. Just as these running people in running competitions, they wear very light dress. If they wear heavy dress, suppose it influences their speed. They cannot run fast. They have to wear very light dress. That is why those who are climbing mountains also, their dress is also very, very light dress. Otherwise the dress heaviness influence their walking or running. They cannot move fast. Like that, Jnani mind is a light mind. So he moves smoothly, happily, without any raga, dvesha, ajnanam, samshayam, moha. These are all called weight in the mind. Worry, another weight. Anxiety, another weight. To the mind. Mano bharaha. Once such a mind which is bharam, life is drudgery, burdensome. How are you? Okay. That is called, the dialogue, the word comes like that. I am fine. You cannot say that. There is some pain inside. So therefore, wear a light mind. How can you wear your light mind? Study Vedanta. Vedanta purpose is what? To convert the heavy mind into light mind. A confused mind is a heavy mind. Therefore, Buddha, wise people, who has converted their heavy mind into light mind. Heavy mind means ajnani mind. Light mind means jnani mind. Convert ajnana into jnanam. In your buddhi there is ajnana. Convert that ignorance into knowledge. Replace by knowledge. Therefore such a person is shobhate. Why I am talking all this? Shobhate, shines. Putra dharadau nisneha. That means grihastha jnani. Putra dharadau, upon wife and children, Nisneha, there is no attachment. There is putra, there is Dara. Dara means wife. Wife is there, son is there, but not having any attachment. Nisneha, Nishkamaha, free from all binding desires. Desires with regard to worldly objects, body, mind, desires, so many desires, all these are not. Vishayeshu nishkamaha, desireless towards beings and things. Vishayeshu means objects, relations, whatever we possess. Too much attachment should not be there. Vishayeshu nishkamaha. Therefore, nischintaha, chinta rahitaha. Therefore, he is nischintaha. Chinta means worry. Nischintaha means worryless, anxietyless. Nischintaha. Sadashiva Brahmendra Kirtana, Chinta nastikila. Tesham. Tesham means what? Buddha. Wise people, they are free from chinta. Therefore, nischintaha, chintarahitaha. What is the difference between chinta and chita? Chita is better than chinta. Chita means fire, that funeral fire. Chita dahati nirjivam vapuhu. It burns the body of a person who is dead. Nirjivam. Jiva rahitam vapuhu shariram. Chita dahati. The fire burns the dead body. But chinta, one nakara you have to join. Chinta dahati pranayutam vapuhu. So great. Worry burns the alive person. The one who is with pranayutam. Living person, it burns the living person. Fire burns the dead person. Who is great? Chinta is great. Worry is great. That is why people, because of worry, they become so thin. Worrying, weight reduction. All types of diseases will come because of worry. Dukkham. Therefore, Jnani never bother about worry. He never worry about worry. Jnani is free from worry. Worry is the quality of the mind, its nature. So Jnani looks at the mind, which mind is worrying. Therefore Jnani never worry about the worry of the mind. So looks at the mind, worrying mind as an object. Nischintaha, when swasharire api. I am nischintaha Swamini. I am not a kavalaye illenna. Everything is fine. When everything is fine, we are very optimistic. For us, everything is fine. For some people, there is a problem. You have to be patient. Don't worry, we say, everyone. When they say what? Unnaku vanda theriyum. Therefore, if you get, you know that. No? So everyone is optimistic. When we are fine, health is fine, house is fine, everything is fine. But if anything goes wrong, that time you see our face. The person who is always counseling others, somebody needs to counsel this person. That is why when situation comes, crisis comes, what should come to the surface? Ashtavakra Gita. When crisis comes, problem comes, the Ashtavakra Gita teaching should come to surface. At that time, somewhere it is, we forget we are a Gita students, we are Vedanta students going to Gita Upanishad class. So what is the use of such knowledge? But this Jnani is the one who keeps that knowledge always available. This is called vigilant, alert living. Vigilant, alert living is called Nididhyasanam. Not losing sight of his or her own nature. Not losing sight of his or her own Atman Swabhava, Atman nature, Swasharire api nischintaha. What disease is going to come, what will happen to me? If there is some dot on the body newly appearing, cancer, oh, the person is afraid of that. Biopsy required, so small spot, some moles will come, when you are growing, red moles, black moles, extra will come. So more worrying about that thing, somewhere. Or some bulge, suppose, anywhere. That's all. This person, you see the suffering, Swasharire api nischintaha. Okay. Nirashaha. Nirashaha means asha rahitaha. Asha rahitaha. There is no any sort of desire. Sankalpa. Shobhate buddhaha. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now shloka number 85. Page 175. Tushti sarvatra dhirasya yatha patitavartinaha स्वच्छंदं चरतो देशान् यत्रास्तमितशायिनः यथा पतितवर्तिनः. Whatever comes, yatha patitan, whatever comes in front, the situation, the experience, according to his prarabdha. As the prarabdha unfolds, we do not know what is going to come next moment, what is going to happen to this body, to my family, people, or anything, I do not know. Because unpredictable. Everything is unpredictable. So therefore Jnani is one, whatever comes to experience, he has to face it. Yatha patita vartinaha. As it comes, he undergoes that experience. There is no aversion or attachment. No dvesha, no raga towards that person or towards that situation. Why? Because he understood that I have no control over this situation. I have no control. It is unpredictable. I have no control over it. What is the use of worrying about that situation? Why I have to attach to that? It will pass on. It will go away. So, this is my prarabdha today. This is my prarabdha. What is prarabdha? Adrushtam, which is invisible. Na drushtam, adrushta punya papa. It is fructifying now. You keep some fruits in your almirah. All raw fruits. Next day what you see? Open the door and see. What are all ripened, you take out. Like that, prarabdha is what? Ripened karma phalam. Sanchita is raw karma phalam. Sanchita is raw and pachi. Prarabdha is ripened mango. Sometimes bitter, sometimes sweet. It looks so red. You think it is so sweet. You want to taste it. After keeping inside only, you have to see your face. When before opening, I thought it is so sweet. And once I bite that mango, my God, what is sour? Why I have to experience that sour? Who is responsible? Our bad prarabdha, that's all. Like that only every experience. Every experience is like that. Nobody knows. Therefore, this person is yatha patita vartinaha. As it goes, according to that he moves. Vartinaha. Dhirasya sarvatra trushti. Dhirasya, of that wise person. To that wise person, dhirasya, Ashtavakra is saying he is only real courageous person. Okay, he is not afraid of any experience, any situation what comes. Normal people what? Whatever comes, grumbling, murmuring. Whatever is going to come, that also they are afraid of. So Jnani is dhiraha, courageous person, bold person. Let it come. I face it. Let it come. It is a challenge for me. I don't have any sort of timidity of what is going to come, how I am going to face. I don't bother. Let it come. I don't want to show my, timidity towards any situation. That is called boldness. How it comes? Because of knowledge. Dhirasya sarvatra tushtihi. Sarvatra means on all beings and things. Sarvatra means what? On all situations, on all things and beings. Sarvatra. Tushtihi, satisfied. Satisfied. Tushtihi, contented. As it comes, he is very happy. Happy? Neither happy nor unhappy. Neither happy nor unhappy. Swachandam charitaha. Swachandam. Ichchanusaram. Wherever he want to go or she want to go, they go and see and come back. They never hooked to one tirtha, one tirtha place. They never hooked to only Kashi. I don't want to leave Kashi, Ganga river. There are people, they hooked to one place. They don't want to go to other place. Punya kshetrams and all, there are people, they hold on to some punya kshetrams, some rivers, and they hold on to their own ancestors' house. How can I leave my ancestors' house? Why that much attachment to you? They don't want to live with some gurus also. They hook to guru all throughout the life. Never hooked to anything in the world. Even brother, sister, mother, father, daughter, son, never hooked to. If you are hooked, that's all. If you are hooked, you are booked in ardham. Okay, you are booked for what? Next janma. Next janma, you are booked in ardham. Never hooked to anything. Like a lotus leaf. Ichchanuswaram is called swachandam. Freely moves in ardham. I don't want to go there, I don't want to see this, அங்கே போகக்கூடாது, இங்கே போகக்கூடாது, இங்கே தான் இருக்கணும், இதா பண்ணணும், இதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. இச்சானுசாரம். Everywhere is Bhagavan's place. Everything is Bhagavan, everything is Bhagavan. Your motive is important, isn't it? Your bhavana is important. Don't see this and segregate. The segregating problem. So you have to come out of that, no? Attachment towards house, attachment towards the place or area. Some people never leave T Nagar at all. So Vedanta class is there, Swamini, therefore I don't want to leave. No, it is okay. That is okay. My chitti is there, my petti is there. It become an attachment further. Even if I move from far also, I want to come to the class. There are people coming from Ainavaram. So different places, I don't remember that places. They are coming from miles and miles. They won't feel a distance, There is not a distance at all. Like that, Swachanda Charataha, where Deshan, different countries, different places, he moves. Inga ponu, inga pokodadanu, niyamam kadiyadu. Deshan. You can take, why I am not confined to any one place, attached to one place. How many continents are there? 7 continents are there. One continent, Asia continent. In that Asia continent, India is one country. In one India, Chennai. In that Chennai, T Nagar. In T Nagar, one street, Pandi Bazar. I, the Atma, I am belong to Pandi Bazar Kesari High School, one hall, one place sitting here, or I belong to the entire globe. Entire globe is resting on me. I am hooked to my place. I am hooked to my place. Attachment. It's okay. If you see there only, I can listen attentively, Swamini. That is okay. That is okay. That is natural. Seat marina namak koncham disturbance irukum. That's okay. Mic, speaker, koncham adjustment. That's okay. Just I am telling, I, the consciousness, am the adhishtanam of this entire 7 continents. Therefore, I never bother about what happens to one single matter, a dot like this is. Therefore, deshan charataha yatra astamita shayinaha. Wherever sun sets while going, there he sleeps. Yatra astamita tatra shayinaha. I want to sleep there only. அந்த போன தூக்கம் வராது சுவாமி, நான் இங்கே தூங்க மாட்டேன், அங்கே தூங்க மாட்டேன். சில பேர் sometimes they go to their relatives house, Tambram, suppose. No, I want to go home because I can't sleep. Where? Tambram. Where you want to go? I want to go to Perambur. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் கிடையவே கிடையாது ஞானிக்கு. நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வந்தாதான் நிம்மதி. என்ன ஞானிக்கு வாட் இஸ் நம்ம வீடு? மோக்ஷா, ஆத்மா. Atma is the வீடு. Whether I am in Tamram or Perambur or somewhere, America or Russia or anywhere in India, anywhere I am, I take rest, relax. What is this problem? Body orientation. I can't adjust with that food. I cannot sleep there. I cannot mix there. That water, that air. So many problems. Where you can live happily? Nowhere. That is why sannyasis, why they move, they move all over to avoid that attachment with any place, with any conditions. That is the reason. Parivurajika sannyasi. Suttinde irukano. Since we are teaching, I can't move so much. If classes are not there, I will move throughout world. Because of classes, I have to confine. That is why. Otherwise, no necessity of staying in one place. Okay. Yatra astamita, where sun sets, happily sleeps, recline. Next sloka. Patatu detu va dehaham Nasya chinta mahatmanah Svabhava bhumi vishranti Vismruta shesha samsrute Svabhava bhumi vishranti Vismruta shesha samsrute. You can take Svabhava bhumi vishranti. Jnani is one who is resting on his own Atma Swarupam. Vishranti means abiding. Where Svabhava bhumi. What is Svabhava bhumi? Atma. Adhishtana Atman. Just as you see, Atma you cannot see. Just like foundation, big building is there. 3 floors are there. First floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor. 3 ground, first, second, all the 3 houses are resting where? Foundation. Foundation you cannot see. Without foundation, no building. Ground floor is like Karana Sariram. First floor is like Sushma Sariram. Second floor is like Sthula Sariram. 3 Sarirams are resting where? 3 floors are resting where? Basement, foundation, Punadi, foundation. That's why Bhumi Puja they do first. Afterwards only construction. Therefore, like that, Sarira Trayam is resting upon Atma. That is called Swabhumi. We have forgotten foundation. Generally, after construction, what do? We forget foundation. This building is resting on the foundation. Because it is not visible, that's why we won't care. When we care, once கொஞ்சம் ஷேக் வந்தால் தெரியும். That earthquake comes and it shakes your foundation. It shakes your house or foundation? Not house, first foundation only. Once foundation shakes, the building will shake. Like that. See, Atma is that. Don't extend, okay? Earthquake and chumma chonna. So Atma is like a foundation. Swabhumi. Adhishtanam I am. Upon me, the sthula, sukshma, karana, sarirams are resting. One sthula, sukshma, karana, sariram resting, or all sukshma, sthula, karana, sarirams are resting. All sarirams are resting upon me. Whose said sariratrayam, my mother-in-law's sariratrayam also resting upon me, the Atma. When I am the Atma, where is the question of mother-in-law, brother-in-law, son-in-law? Or in-laws the problem? Okay. In-laws are problem to you. Are you not an in-law? You are also in-law only, no? What is that in-law? You understood. Okay. Swabhava bhumi vishranti. Then what? Go to first line. Dehaha patatu udetuva. Once he is established in his real nature, Atma Swarupam, Dehaha patatu udetu. Like waves. Waves rise and fall. Rise and fall. Have you seen any time ocean without waves? Even small wave at least will be there. Small or huge, big waves will be there. It is natural. Because of wind, they come. Similarly, because of prarabdha wind, bodies udetu patatu. They may rise, they may fall. In me, the water-like Atma. In me, the water-like Atma, I am like water. In water, waves rise and waves fall. In me, the Atma also, body waves rise and fall. Again another body rise, fall. What will happen to the water? Even wave rise and go also. It is wave only. Similarly, body comes and goes. Matter is avyaktam, matter is avyaktam. Avyaktad vyaktayas sarvaha prabhavantya haraha me ratriagame praliyante. So, bodies may rise and fall. In me, the consciousness, who is like a water I am. Consciousness is not water. Okay. Water-like consciousness, just as waves rise and goes, can they disturb? Can waves, big wave disturbs? Small wave disturbs? Nothing. Why? Why they cannot disturb? Because they are water. How waves can disturb water? Because there are no waves other than water. Similarly, body rise and fall is not there really, just they are like waves. They cannot disturb me, the Atma Chaitanyam. Should feel like that. There's so much attachment, no, to this body. Our mind have that identification towards this. Mithyatva Nishchayaha. Okay. Patatu means fall. Udetu birth. Birth and death. To what? Dehaha. Shariram. Dehaha means shariram. Na asya chinta. To such a Mahatmanaha chinta na bhavati. Asya Mahatmanaha chinta nasti. There is no chinta. There is no worry. Chinta nasti kilam tesham. Shamadama karuna sampurnanam. Chinta na asya asti Mahatmanaha. Therefore, Vismruta Ashesha Sansrute. Sansruti means birth and death cycle, which is because of lot of vasanas, samskaras. Vismruta Asesha. Asesha Samsruti means many janmas I have taken. Lot of births I have taken. Lot of vasanas are there. What I did, all of them I have falsified. They are not real. I need not worry about them. Just like a dream. You worry about your dream? You never. Similarly, Jnani never worry about his past life. One lady is asking me, Swamini, suppose I won't get moksha in this birth. Next birth also I want to born as a woman. She is a woman now. She want to born as a woman. Can I get birth, female birth? So listening to Vedanta, and they conclude, I won't get moksha in this birth. And எனக்கு எவ்வளவோ பாப்பம் ஜென்ம ஜென்மா பாப்பம் எல்லாம் இருக்கே மூட்டையா அதெல்லாம் கரைஞ்சு போகணும் இல்லையோ. Therefore, Guru, Shastra, they put in where? I asked you, put your body, mind complex in dustbin. Now they are putting the Shastra and Guru's words in dustbin. And useless అని దాని అర్థం. మనకి ఇప్పుడే బర్త్ లేదు, నెక్స్ట్ బర్త్ ఫిమేల్ బర్త్ ఎదుకు? Why I want to say, not point that woman is not in this class, okay? She is not here. I am not pointing out how Abhimana is so powerful. I want to tell you. Next birth, at least I want to get moksha if I won't get in this birth. And a yoga brashta or Krishna. Suppose if I become a yoga brashta in this birth, why can't you take your yoga brashta of previous birth? Hey, Lord Krishna talked about yoga brashta of previous birth. He became a yoga brashta now because of previous birth he has not received. Take in this birth itself, last birth I was yoga brashta, I have failed to attend class. This time I will definitely get moksha. Why can't you take like that? This is the last birth, Swamini, for me. Why can't you say that? அப்படி சொன்ன எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் நிம்மதி எனக்கு இல்லையா, குருவுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஆறுதல் சொல்ல வேண்டாமோன்னு. Swamini, after coming to your class, I have concluded that this is my last birth. This is the last birth, or you recognize there is no birth? First you say last birth, afterwards you recognize there is no birth for me at all. Aham ajaha. Ajaha not goat. Okay. In Sanskrit, ajaha means goat. Ajaha means birthless also. So I, the Atma, I am birthless. Okay. Where is the question of next birth? Paravala. Students are managing to ask questions. Somehow, ஏதோ ஒரு கேட்குறேன். Swamini, I am asking some question, very silly question. Every question is silly. Swamiji says always, people say, before asking a question, தயக்கம், கேட்கலாமா வேண்டாமா? Swamini, இது ஒரு silly question. தெரியுமே முன்னாடி சொல்லணுமா? See, every Ajnani, whoever asks, every question is a silly question. Because question is based on Anatma. Every question. Once you get Jnanam, Samshayas will go away. As long as you have questions, you are having questions about Anatma. Is it a question worth calculating question or a silly question? அப்படின்னு கேட்காம இருக்காதுங்க, கேட்கலாம். You can ask. ஏன்னா அந்த சில்லி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் கூட ஞானம் வராது. சில்லி கொஸ்டின் கூட கேட்டு அப்புறம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் we have to get it. அப்படின்னு கேட்காமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அவருக்கு தெரியும், நமக்கு தெரியும் சில்லின்னு, அது வேற விஷயம், தப்பு இல்லை. அந்த சில்லி இருந்தால் கூட பக் இருக்கு இங்கே லோபல, அது ஆல்வேஸ் டாண்டிங், ஐயோ இந்த டவுட் இருக்கு அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகே. சிந்தா ந அஸ்ய அஸ்தி. விஸ்மிருத அன்னார். ஆல் விஸ்மிருத மீன்ஸ் ஃபர்காட்டன் அன்னு அர்த்தமா? விஸ்மிருதம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? தே ஹாவ் லெஃப்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஹிம் அன்னு அர்த்தம். ஐயோ எல்லாம் மறந்துட்டார் பாப்போம்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. விஸ்மிருத மீன்ஸ் எஸ், he left that. All of them left him. 87. Akinchana kamacharah nirdvandaschinna samshayah asaktas sarvabhaveshu केवलो रमते बुधः Further, Ashtavakra continues. Akinchanaha. Jnani is one who is not having any possession as his or her own. That means no ownership. This belongs to me. That idea, that notion, that thought never entertained. Na akinchanaha means kinchit na asya asti iti akinchanaha. The one who doesn't have anything. That means he never entertained a thought, this house belongs to me, this property belongs to me, these family members are belong to me. Aham tesham te mama. I belong to them, they belong to me. This thinking is not there. This thought entertainment he never or she never does. Even a moment it comes, it falls down. It falls down because of we make it false. Once you make it false, it falls. Spelling correct potkongo. Once you make it false, F-A-L-S-E, it falls. It's false means what? It's reality, F-A-L-L-S, false. Make it false, then it falls. Okay? If you won't make it false, it rise, its hood. Non-irike. So, taunting, worry, anxiety, fear, all will come. Therefore, akinchanaha. Who am I now? Akinchanaha. I means RC, OC or RC, higher I or lower I. Higher I. Chulli palaganu. Higher I. Kamacharaha. Here kamacharaha means vidhi nishedha. Cannot bind such a person. Kamacharaha means freely moves. Don't take in a different sense. Kamacharaha moves as the pleasure comes. Not desirous of pleasure. Once it comes, no need afraid of that also. Because all are my vibhuti only. How difficult you see, not for ordinary person. Person not clinging to anything. Kamacharaha means as it comes in front, he takes it as it is. There is no specification, there is no any sort of what you can call desire for that. No rejection, no desire, like that. Kamacharaha. Vidhi nishedha rahitaha ityarthaha. Kamacharaha. Then nirdvandvaha, chinna samshayaha. Nirdvandaha means he is free from pair of opposites. Jaya, apajaya, sukha, dukkha, success and failure, both are same. Failure also part of this law of karma. Failure and success are bound to be there as long as the body-mind complex is there. Let the body-mind complex enjoy that success. Let the body-mind suffer the failure. I am the witnesser of that failure and success of Anatma. Appadi paakano. Neither success is mine nor failure is mine. They belong to Anatma Shariram. They belong to Anatma Manas. Who am I? I am Mano Buddhya Ahankara Chittani Naham. Ipuda paadino. Mano Buddhya Ahankara Chittani Naham. Jaya apajaya not for me. Okay. Failure and success are not for me. Manam apamanam, censure and praising, admiration. People criticize, people blame, people scold. Therefore, he is free from that. Nirdvandvaha, chinna samshayaha, free from all doubts. Samshaya means doubt. Chinna means destroyed. All doubts destroyed. Vidyate hridaya grandhihi chidyante sarva samshaya. Once ajnana knot is gone, then samshayas all will go away. Mundakopanishad. Chinna samshaya. Samshaya alone is the most burdensome in the mind. Samshayam, doubt. Who is God? Who am I? Why this creation? This samshaya, non-ending questions, they are all. How creation has come? Questions galore. But we just brush it away. What is there? Anyhow, we are not going to get answer. Let us forget. But your intellect cannot rest until you answer, either in this janma or next janma. When people are talking about, I don't know about God, I don't know who am I, where I am, why I have born like this. Nobody knows. Nobody knows any. எனக்கு தாத்தக்கு தெரியாது, பாட்டிக்கு தெரியாது, அப்பாக்கு அது வேற தெரியாது, எனக்கு என்ன தெரிய போகிறது? அதனால விடப்பா அந்த கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாம் நமக்கு எதுக்கு? சில பேர் அப்படிதான், இதுக்கு இல்லை ஆன்சர் கிடைக்காத கொஷின்ஸுக்கு இல்லை எதுக்கு வெரி லீவ் இட். பட் சம் பீப்புள் நோ curious. No, I want to know why I have to suffer at all. Why this suffering? Suffering is because of birth. Why I am born at all? Why I am born at all? First of all, who am I? Where it starts, you see. Why suffering? Why I have to suffer? Then second question, who is suffering? Who am I? Then quest. Then who created me? Who is he? I want to know, find out why he has created me. I want to find out. That's what we are doing here, in the class. So once I get answers clear, chinna samshayaha. People are all living with samshayas. Not only worldly doubts, questions. Main basic question is what? Who am I? Why I am born at all? And the at all potukano. Why I am born at all? Because of my father, mother. Why they are born? Who created them? God created them. Who is that God? God is Almighty. Where is He? He is in heaven. Where is that heaven? You want to answer? Study Shastra. Shastra gives. Shastra job is what? To answer for all these questions. One by one, clarifies. Who are you is clarified. What is this creation also clarified. Who is God also clarified. Where is God also clarified. Everything is clarified like butter, Clarified butter. Answer, you get it. Apena chinna samshayaha. Asaktaha sarvabhaveshu. Since all these names and forms, beings and things are all only nama rupa, sarvabhaveshu asaktaha. There is no asakti. There is no any sort of interest. Asaktaha nar. Asaktaha means never do any special prayers for body's sake, for children's sake, for family's sake. Vendudal. There is no asakti in anatma. When asakti is not there, when I am asaktaha, where is the question of vendudal, special prayer? For whom? Whose sake I have to do special prayer? I am the Atma. I am blessing every body and everybody with my consciousness principle. I am blessing. Whom I have to pray? Whom I have to pray? Who can give me anything? I am the thing who is lending sentiency to the entire universe. In the I விட்டுட்டு எந்த ஐ பிடிச்சிருக்கோம் இப்போ? ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ரேயர்ஸ் வேண்டுதெல்லாம் யார் பண்ணுவா? Lower eye or higher eye? Whenever I ask, you are lower eye or higher eye? Higher eye, we say. With high voice, everyone say higher eye. Have you stopped special prayers? Illa Swami. Then you are higher eye or lower eye? Lower eye. Higher eye ki no special prayer. No prayaschitta karma. See, it's not easy, Verbally everyone can say. When Vendadal comes, We become lower eye happily without any batting your eyes and the lower eye coat potinde. Suttu suttu enge Adityaya cha Romaya cha Mangalaya Budhaya cha Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. தெரியுமோ? Adityaya cha Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya cha Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. Sutta. Not for my sake, Swamini, my grandson's sake. My daughter's sake. அவனுக்கு ஜாப் கிடைக்கணும், அவருக்கு சீட் கிடைக்கணும். Adityaya cha Somaya cha Mangalaya. One lady is asking today, Swamini, my grandson, the date of birth, the time what is born is not, some dosham is there, they are telling. That lady is worrying about grandson's birth time, there is dosha. Therefore, they have to go to some place and do prayaschitta karma. Life go on and on like this people. Asaktaha sarva bhaveshu. Kevalaha, remaining as Kevala Atma without second. There is no second real thing, really speaking. Second real thing is not there. You are telling Swamini from many years, I am listening. I am listening. But many times I don't remember this. I am secondless Atma Kevalaha. Enakku Kevalama irken. Kevalaha Atma illa na Kevalam aita Swamini veetlo. Hey, you are not that Kevalam. That is lower eye. It can never become Purnaha. You can never become that Kevalam. This Kevalam is Paripurna Ananda Kevalaha, secondless. What about all these second, I am looking at it. They are all false, mithya. Have you seen many things in your dream yesterday? What about them? You saw, no? Many things in your dream. What about, are you worrying about them? Never. You never worry about them. Why? They are not there. If they are not there, there is no rope snake. Snake is not there at all. What is there? Only rope is there. I need not worry. Why I am worrying? Because I am giving reality to this body. Once I give reality to this body, I give reality to this body-related person also. Body-related objects also I give reality. So this reality goes all the way. All the way it goes what? Husband, son, daughter, relative, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother. All it goes. Where it has started? Moolam here. So drop this, everything will be snapped. Snapped really? Paramarthically snapped, not vyavaharically. Vyavaharically continues. How are you? Hello, coffee. Give coffee. Hot coffee. Vyavaharically they are there. Paramarthically they lose their status, satyatvam status they lose. Once they lose the satyatvam status, they cannot disturb me. That is why Jnani do Vyavahara happily. That is called mastery. Jnani does Vyavahara deliberately, knowingly he does Vyavahara with Anatma body, without any disturbance. That is called mastery. Okay. Become masters, all of you. Okay. Kevalaha ramate buddhaha. Ramate means revels. Enjoy the life, rest of the life. Next shloka. Nirmama shobhate dhiraha samaloštashma kanchanaha subhinna hridaya grandhihi vinirddhuta rajastamaha. Subhinna hridayas grandhihi. Bhinna means chinna, breaking, destroying. Vidyate hridaya grandhihi. Since he has destroyed all his doubts, that hridaya grandhi, gone. That ajnana, aham dehaha iti ajnanam has gone. Sushtuhu bhinnaha hridaya granthi. Totally, completely. Hridaya granthi means ajnana granthi. Granthi means a knot, mudch. The knot, ajnanam is like a knot. It binds the person. So you have to remove that knot. Subhinna hridaya grandhihi vinirdhuta rajastamaha. Vinirdhuta means who has wiped out. Vinirdhuta means wiped out. Rajastamaha, Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Rajoguna caused attachment, Tamoguna caused delusion. What is delusion? Delusion is that you always try to control the situations, we always try to control the persons whom we are related. It's called delusion. In delusion, I always want to control either person or the situation. This situation should not be like this. My daughter should not behave like this. She should behave like this. If she behaves like that, only I am happy. If she won't behave like that, I am unhappy. So go on and on and on. I have no control. Where I have no control, I go on trying to control. Thinking that daughter, body, mind is real, I am real, motherhood is real, daughterhood is real, and thinking that both relations are real, and that delusion develops more control over on each other. Husband tries to control wife, wife tries to control husband, and the situation comes, both of them want to control the situation, and the children, whole family is a mess up, and big mess. That's why we go and eat in a mess. What is mess? Life is a mess. People make their own life as a mess. Why? They want to control each other. Why? Because you are my wife. Nee na channapadi kekanu. Amma, you are also my husband, therefore you also listen. She says, tug of war. Parents, children, children to parents. Therefore, this person is free from that delusion. Neither controlling others nor controlling the situation. No attachment. If attachment is there, only you want to control. Attachment, Rajoguna is predominant, Tamoguna comes up. Delusion comes. Every delusion is because of attachment. So come out of attachment, Rajoguna, come out of Tamoguna. Then what? Have a Sattva-guna. Okay? Sattva sanjayate Jnanam. Rajoguna, Tamoguna is the cause, both of them are the cause for attachment and delusion. Twin brothers. Therefore, develop Sattva Guna. How to develop Sattva Guna, Swamini? Suppose you ask, come to the class. Rajoguna, Tamoguna will become feebler and feeblest. Slowly, Sattva Guna comes to surface. The more I listen to Shastra, Sattva Guna becomes predominant. Slowly they become feebler. Then Sattva Guna helps us to get knowledge. Therefore, Vinirdhuta Rajastamaha. Therefore, Nirmamaha. Since there is no delusion, there is no Mamakara also. Which Mamakara is the cause for sorrow? Swamini, Mamakara illamal eppadina. Hey, Mamakara if you keep, next pinnadi enna varum kolande? Mamakara pinnadi, Mamakara is the father. Who is the child? Sorrow. You want sorrow? Child? Drop that mamatvam. Shobhate dhiraha. Again the jnani shines. Samaloshtashma kanchanaha. Looks at the same, that clod of mud, lost. Ashma, stone. Kanchana. This is Kanchanam is superior, Loshtam is inferior. Superior, inferior, that thought is not there for him. Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 8th shloka. Samaloshtashma Kanchanaha Srhurn Mitraryudasina Madhyastadveshya Bandhushu Sadhushvapicha Papeshu. జ్ఞాని ఈజ్ వన్ హూ సీస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. அப்போ அவருக்கு பாவம் கோல்டுன்னு மண்ணு ஒரே மாதிரி தெரியுமா? இல்லை இல்லை, கோல்டு கோல்டாக தெரியும், தங்கம் தங்கமாக தெரியும், மட் மட் only. But it is neither superior, it is inferior. He never give importance to them. Both this is metal, that is mud, that's all. So samaloštashma kanchana. But you keep your gold with you, okay? You need not throw your gold. But don't think that gold gives security. It gives more insecurity, okay? Doesn't have value on its own. We are giving value. We are superimposing value on that. That is why every day paper what comes, gold value rising, coming down. Don't develop attachment towards them, use them. Nothing wrong. You keep your gold ring, okay? Golden watch, golden chain, you keep it. Swamini, I don't want to drop them. You don't drop. Wear nicely, even extra also you wear and come to the class. Nice, you know, pada pada irukum. Nice to see also. What is wrong in that wearing? Only one condition. Idam namama purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.